Hello students! Did you have your break time? Very good. So are you excited to continue with our next lesson for today? Our next lesson will be science. The objectives of today's lesson is to identify the transports and group them accordingly, and also to state observations through words or verbally. Let's take out your activity for science book and turn to page number 17. Today we are going to do page 17 till 19. Don't forget to grab your pencil and eraser with you. Now let's turn to page 17. Let's write today's day, Friday, 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 and today's date, 10 September 2021. So the title for today will be vehicles. So teacher have already teach you about vehicles on last Tuesday and during your Zoom class on Monday. So we have three groups of vehicles that moves on land, moves in air, and move on water. So let's start with the vehicles that moves on land. Which vehicles move on land? Color them in red. Let's see the first picture. What is that, students? Yes, it's a train. So does a train move on land? Yes, very good. So a train moves on land. So let's take your red color and color the train in red. Very good. Let's move on to the next picture. What is that? Yes, it's a bicycle. So where does a bicycle move? Does it move on a land, in air, or on water? Yes, a bicycle moves on land. So should we color it? Yes, we should color it with red color. Very good. How about the next picture? It's a motorcycle. So does a motorcycle move on land? Yes? Very good. Yes, a motorcycle moves on land. So let's take your red color and color the motorcycle. Very good, students. So can you see there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 more pictures down there. We can see a boat, a car, a jeep, a truck, an aeroplane, and a bus. So let's find out which vehicles that moves on land and color them in red. Can you do that, students? Very good. Now let's turn to page number 18. This is the vehicles that moves on water. So let's read the instruction given. Cross out the vehicles that do not move on water. So here we are going to cross out the vehicle that do not move on water. Let's see the first one. It's a ferry. Very good. So does a ferry move on water? Yes. So do you need to cross out the ferry? No, you don't have to cross out the ferry because ferry move on water. You should only cross out the vehicles that do not move on water. Let's move on to the next one. A yacht. Yes, very good. A yacht also moves on water. So you don't have to cross out the yacht. The next one. A ship. Does a ship move on water, students? Yes, a ship also moves on water. And let's move on to the next one. A lorry. Does a lorry move on water? No, a lorry moves on land. So what should we do now, students? Take your pencil and cross out the lorry, because the lorry does not move on water. So we have two more pictures there, a boat and a van. Can you answer the right one? So can you answer that, student? You should cross out the vehicle that do not move on water. Very good. Now let's move on to page number 19. So we have done the vehicles that move on land and also on water. Now these are the vehicles that moves in air. So let's read the instruction given. Which vehicles moves the same way as an aeroplane? Color the triangle in blue. Okay, can you see the aeroplane there? So, where do an aeroplane moves? On land, on water, or in air? Yes, an aeroplane moves in air. So, let's find out among these 6 pictures down there, which vehicles move the same way as an aeroplane in the air. So we are going to color the triangle in blue for the right answer. Okay, now let's see the first picture there. What picture is that, students? Yes, it's an hot air balloon. So where does the hot air balloon move? Does it move the same way as an aeroplane, student? Yes, an air balloon moves in the air. So that is the right answer. So now let's take out your blue color and color the triangle there in blue. Good job! Very good. How about the next picture? A lorry. Does a lorry move the same way as an aeroplane? No, very good. So you don't have to color the triangle, remember? Okay, how about the ship? Very good. A ship also doesn't move in the air. Okay, a ship doesn't move the same way as an aeroplane. So that is the wrong answer. So don't color the triangle in blue. So we have 3 more pictures down there. The bicycle, a helicopter and a ferry. So let's find out which vehicle move the same way as aeroplane and color the triangle in blue. Can you do that, students? Very good. So that's all for today. Good job, students. You did an excellent job today. Thank you so much. And now, teacher hope that you have learned very good information about transports. So now you can take a short break.